Lord's greed is not fulfilled. So,
You cannot release the Parakiyaros.
that is due to Maryada who is preventing him?
Yes.
Or is it because nobody is elevated enough?
Because he is Madhyada Purushottama. He said, I have come to establish this thing in the human society. Like dualism. This is Madhyada.
It doesn't mean that...
I told the story last week. The story he said himself. Narrated. The vision came. The story of monkey. And tiger. And human being. How human beings are so ungrateful. Though, this type of species, but they have kept this history of ungratefulness. Yes. The monkeys said, oh, I am animal. They are not so ungrateful. Rama took the help of the monkeys and bears. They are wicked. Conquered. You understand? Fought, killed, Rama. Yes. All soldiers are monkeys and bears. Galuka and Markada, Rama and soldiers, they are with it. Not only grateful, very good. You understand? Ravan was undergoing severe non-austerity, pleasing Brahma, got boon from Brahma. Ravan asked for this. I will not be killed by any demigod. You understand? Can be killed by any demon. Because he had fear for demigods and demons. And he had no fear for human beings, monkeys and bears. Oh, they are my food. He thought, they are my food, I will eat them. Why shall I ask for this food? Human beings, monkeys and bears. They are my food. I am not afraid of them. I am not human. Granted, all I granted, and killed by monkeys, bears, and Rama and human. I said, oh, wandering in the forest, driven out from the kingdom.
So it doesn't mean that nobody was on that level of Prema to give it to him. It doesn't mean when the Lord would say he couldn't...
That's the Lord's desire, Baba. What are you hearing? I say, when Lord desires to come as this Marjada Purushottama and have the svakīya-rasa, release the svakīya-rasa, Radharani acts accordingly. And he becomes Patitya Pradhan. You understand? Supreme Lord Param Brahma becomes Patitya Pradhan. Then Radharani Shakti becomes Satitya Pradhan. I said, what are you hearing? All head.
No, I'm asking precisions. Then another thing, you said Aiśvarya Prema Sitila or Prema Sankuchita?
Yes.
So it means the Aishwarya there, it means attachment to the opulence of the Lord?
Aiśvarya means opulence.
So it means that they will still want something for themselves. It means that they still want something for themselves?
Yes, that is not selfless love.
No, can one reach Prema and still be not selfless? One can reach Prema, love, pure love.
Prema, I say,
levels.
First is Prema.
Yes.
Beginning is Prema. That is Ubja.
One can still reach this.
She wants his love. That is Prema. You understand? His limit, her limit is up to Prema. It's not selfless. It's full of self. That's Prema.
So one can reach Prema and still be having some self-desire.
Yes. I said this is the first type. First type of rati, Radharani rati. Then superior to is samanjasa rati. Rukmini Satyabhama and Dwarkapuri. Highest type, best type is Samartha rati. This is gopīs by Radharani. What are you hearing?
I want to make sure I understand properly.
You are greedy fellow.
Then you say also that Viraha is Krishna's kripa for
Yes.
that love not to die.
Yes, love not to die.
So does that mean that although Krishna is Navina Nirada, always increasing ever fresh beauty, that love would become monotonous or
Not monotonous.
it would die?
It is ever fresh, ever new,
But you say
ever young.
without Viraha it would die.
Because familiarity breeds contempt.
So it would become boring or monotonous?
That is what saying here. Familiarity breeds contempt.
Yes.
So Viraha is needed. Then that will enhance your love. Intensity. Enhance the intensity. Depth of love. Yes. And then there has little. Always thinking, only one thought only. No other thought is there. That is, test how your love is so intense and so deep, so condensed. Only one thought, no other thought is there. So that means the outward separation, inward union. That is Viraha. And union, sambhava, mirana means is outward some union, inward separation. They are always afraid that you leave. Always that appearance is there. So, understand? But in Viraha, union is internal and always and very intense, very strong. And only outward separation. And one thought only. That is different. That thought of Krishna. Every moment.
Even in the material world, that when it is reflected here, that also takes similar.
Yes. It is reflection and perverted reflection. That is karma. Still, you can have some glimpse of it. When you think of very deeply, think of somebody you like, you have developed some love and affection, you are very deeply thinking of. So, in your heart. And that process touches him and her. She also thinks of, he also thinks. And also, you see on your moody eye, yes, somebody is there, is just coming or going there. Yes, some karma will manifest also. Yes, that's a fact.
Now, in South India, they speak about one Napinai, who is a daughter-in-law of Nanda. She's a wife of Krishna. She's incarnation of Nila Devi, consort of Vishnu. That corresponds to Radharani. They call her Napinai in South India. She says she's the daughter-in-law of Nanda Maharaj, so it means Krishna's wife. And they say she's the incarnation of Vishnu's consort, Nila Devi. It's because they have a different understanding.
Nila Devi is there. It is Jagannath.
In South India, they worship Lakshmi Narayan, so maybe that's.
Not mādhurya. That's opulence. Mādhurya is covered up. It's not high school. This is Satya, this is Sankar, Vanisanga. And there is Aiśvarya, Priti Sankuchita, Vaishnavism, Priti Sankuchita. That example we give, once this Kṛṣṇa got jokes with Rukmini, he's only joking. Oh, Rukmini, you committed wrong, accepting me, choosing me. Why did you choose me? Your father, your brother, invited Shishupal, the king of Siddhi, I am a coward boy, I am no king now. I'm a coward boy, mere coward boy, wandering around the jungle of Vrindavan, stealing cows of Nanda. You committed a mistake. Wrong. By choosing me, still there is chance you may go. And Rukmini became afraid. Oh, what is this? Why would you leave me? This Sankara